How to sign out of Google account on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily sign out of your Google account on your Android device. Let's just jump right into it. First thing first, you need to access your settings menu by tapping on the gear icon. And once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down here until you find accounts and backups. Go ahead and tap on it and it will show you all of your available accounts. Now, in some cases, you might have to additionally tap on Manage Accounts to view all of your available accounts. So I'll just tap on Manage Accounts. From here, you want to tap on the Google account that you want to sign out of. And once you tap on it, you'll get an option to remove it. So as you can see here, you have an option to sync your account items like Gmail, Contact, Notes, Drive, and then Calendar. And if you want to sign out of it, you want to go ahead and tap on the remove account button over here. Once you tap on it, it will delete all of his contacts, calendars, and other data from this phone. The data will remain on the account and can be accessed by signing in back again. Now, if you're sure that you want to remove it and log out of it, tap on remove and you're good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.